Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to disable auto scan on Samsung Galaxy phones. So to do this on your camera app, just tap here on this icon. Now tap on settings gear and go to scan documents and text, and here we have auto scan. Disable it from here, and now if you go back and want to do a scan, just put your phone over the page and tap on this little yellow icon. Wait for a few seconds. And now tap here for all the page. If you want, you can modify the edges from here, and if you don't like it, you can retake or save it. And here is the scan. So it's easy to do it. I hope this video to be useful for you. And also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.